This video will explain how to use Paytm for online shopping payments. What does Paytm for online shopping mean? Using Paytm for online shopping means you can pay for products on websites or apps without using cash. Instead of giving money physically, you pay using UPI, Paytm wallet, debit card or credit card. Now we will see the real life example. You buy a shirt online. Instead of paying with cash, you use Paytm on your phone. That completes the payment digitally. What you need before using Paytm. Before making a payment, make sure a few things are ready. You should have the Paytm app installed. Your mobile number should be registered. You should also have money available in one of these places, either in your bank account for UPI payments or in your Paytm wallet. Important concept: UPI. UPI is a system that allows you to send money directly from your bank account instantly. You do not need cash or physical card for the payment. Now we will see how to pay using Paytm. Step 1. Choose a product on a shopping app. Open any shopping app. For example, Amazon or Flipkart. Select the product you want to buy. Then click Buy Now or Checkout. Step 2. Select a payment method. You will now see different payment options. Choose Paytm or UPI using Paytm UPI. What is payment method? A payment method simply means the way you want to pay for your purchase. Step 3. Confirm payment in Paytm. Now two different situations can happen. Case 1. Using UPI. Enter your UPI ID. Open the Paytm app. Approve the payment using your UPI PIN. Case 2. Using Paytm wallet. Log into Paytm if required. Confirm the payment directly. What is UPI PIN? A UPI PIN is a secure code used to authorize a payment. Only you should know this PIN. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Step 4. Payment successful. Once the payment is completed, you will see a message saying payment successful. Your order gets confirmed. Let us take a simple example. You order a pair of headphones. You pay using Paytm. You immediately receive a confirmation message. The order is now successfully placed. Now we will see the simple real life scenario. Imagine you are buying a mobile phone online. First add the phone to your cart. Then go to the checkout. Select Paytm UPI. Enter your UPI ID. Open the Paytm app. Enter your UPI PIN. Payment is completed. Your order is now confirmed. Now we will see important tips. Always check that the website is trusted before making a payment. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Make sure you have enough balance before paying. Check the payment confirmation before closing the app. Use cashback offers or rewards if they are available. What are the advantages of using Paytm? There are several benefits of using Paytm. Payments are fast and easy. You do not need to carry cash. Payments are secure because of PIN verification. Sometimes you may also receive cashback and rewards. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.